Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit a message on the Telegram application that you have already sent to your recipient. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the chats tab down below, which is the second option in the middle of the screen. After that, you should select the chat conversation, click on it, select the chat message that you would like to edit, and all you have to do is to hold your finger on the message itself and click on the third option, which is edit. Here you have to edit the message, so type in the message you want to change it for, and when you are done, click on this check mark icon in a blue button in the right side of the screen, and then it will be changed. As you can see, it has been edited. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.